In DevOps, automating configuration management tasks is essential for maintaining consistency and managing infrastructure efficiently. Write a Python program that should read a configuration file. You can provide them with a sample config file. It should extract specific key-value pairs from the configuration file. The program should store the extracted information in a data structure, for example dictionary or list. It should handle errors gracefully in case the configuration file is not found or cannot be read. Finally, save the output file as JSON data in the database. So, let's develop a Python framework to build a config file management system. Let's get started.